This video will show you how to create a profile. From here, go to My Profile. Inside the My Profile section, you can upload a profile photo if required. You can enter your contact number here. Please note that once the contact number is added, it cannot be changed. You can also enter your email address. Next, fill in your address 1 and address 2, followed by city, zip code, and country. You can then enter your date of birth. You can select the identity type and enter the identity number. These details are part of your personal details. Next, go to the Professional tab. Here, you can enter your joining date. In this way, you can create and complete your profile. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to add an amenity. To begin, go to the Configuration Control panel from the main menu. From there, navigate to Hotel Amenities and click on Add Amenity. On this page, enter the name of the amenity you want to add. For example, you can type the amenity name in the given field. You will also see an Upload icon option. You can browse your desktop and upload an icon for the amenity if required. Uploading an icon is optional, and you can save the amenity even without adding an icon. Here, we are uploading an icon for demonstration. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Submit button. The amenity will be successfully added. As you can see, the new amenity has now been added to the list. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to add a room facility. To begin, go to the Configuration Control panel from the main menu. From there, navigate to Room Facilities and click on Add Facility. Next, enter the name of the facility you want to add. Please note that each facility must have a unique name. You cannot use the same name for multiple facilities. You also have the option to change or upload an icon image for the facility. Uploading an icon is optional, and you can save the facility even without adding an image. If you wish to upload an icon, you can download a suitable image from the Fab icon or any other website. For example, search for slippers and download any PNG image of slippers. After downloading the image, return to the Room Facilities section and upload the icon. Once the image is uploaded and the details are filled in, save the facility. The room facility will be successfully added. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to create a room type. We had already created room features, and based on those features, various types of room price manipulation are done. Now, we will see how various variants of a room are created where the prices differ based on the different services included. There is no need to create variants separately while creating a room type because we can include variants while setting the room type. The Add Variant option is provided in the system only as an option. Now, we will create a room type for which you need to click on the Add Room Type box. First, select your specific branch. For example, we are selecting Karshiang Koti Homestay here. There will be a checkbox here asking if it is a dormitory. If your property has many beds in a single room, then select this. Otherwise, it is not needed. After that, give a name to the room type, such as Premium Suite Double Bed. Then, in number of rooms, write how many rooms you want to create. For example, we took 8 rooms. In the room type description, you can write about the basic features and amenities of your room. By enabling the Automated Numbers checkbox, you can automatically generate room codes. For example, we gave a range from 300 to 307. After that, you need to select the room measurement, bed, bathroom, and the number of windows. In the basic room rate, we have put 2000 rupees for now and set the base adult and child count. Now, by clicking on the Choose Variant option, all the features you created will be displayed separately. Here, according to occupancy and services, such as whether breakfast is included or not, you can input different extra prices for each variant. Once the variants are set, click on the Done button. Then, select what facilities will be in your room, such as AC, TV or room service, and click on Next. Immediately after doing this, the room type will be successfully created for your property. Now, to check the room type, go to the branch and select on your property. There, you will be able to see the premium suite double bed you created. If you go to the variant option, you will see that all the variants have been automatically created. In this way, we can very easily create a room type in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to create a dormitory room type. For that, within Reservation and Property Management, we need to go to Room Types. There, you have to click on Add Room Type. Now, we can see an option here with a checkbox is Dormitory. If we do not tick this checkbox, we can see it asks for the number of rooms. If we tick it here, it will ask for the number of beds. Dormitory means a room where there are many beds and many people can stay together. Now, we can assign the bed number. In this way, we can very easily create a dormitory room type in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to create booking rules. To begin making your booking rules, first navigate to the Configuration Control panel and select the Booking Rules option. Next, click on the Add Booking Rule button. Once you click it, a new page will open where you will need to fill in all the required fields. Start by selecting the branch name for which you are creating these booking rules. Now, set the check-in time for your customers. For example, we are selecting 12 noon. Then, set the checkout time, and here we are selecting 11 a.m. Now, click the checkbox for booking advance needed. This represents the specific amount or percentage of the total cost that must be paid upfront when booking a hotel room. If you wish to add any specific notes, you can enter them in the remarks section as per your requirement. We are entering the remark, follow the booking rules. After you have filled in all the fields, click on the Confirm button. Once you click Confirm, you will see that your booking rule for the property has been successfully created. In this way, you can easily create a booking rule in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create a cancellation rule. To begin, go to the Configuration Control panel from the main menu. Once you are inside the Configuration Control panel, click on Cancellation Rule. You will see the Add Cancellation Rule option. Click on it to open a new page. To create a cancellation rule, first, select the branch for which you want to apply the rule. After selecting the branch, you will see options for cancellation before days and deduction percentage. The rule works in such a way that the fewer the number of days before cancellation, the higher the deduction percentage. For example, for 1 day before cancellation, the deduction can be set to 15%. Click on Add to include more days. For 2 days before cancellation, you can set the deduction to 10%, and for 3 days before cancellation, the deduction can be set to 5%. You may also add remarks if required. After filling in all the details, click on the Confirm button. your cancellation rule will be successfully created. As you can see, the cancellation rule details are now displayed on the screen. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create tax rules. To begin, go to the Configuration Control panel from the main menu. From there, select the tax rule option. If a tax rule already exists, you can edit it. Here, we will demonstrate the process by editing an existing tax rule. First, select the hotel name under which you want to create the tax rule. Next, choose the branch name. Now, enter the room GST details. Set the starting price and ending price, then select the appropriate SAC code along with the GST percentage. You can add multiple price slabs if required. Next, enter the food SAC code and the corresponding food GST percentage. After that, add the service SAC code along with the service GST percentage. Then, enter the package booking SAC code and the package booking GST percentage. Make sure all the required details are filled in correctly. Once completed, click on the Confirm button. The tax rule will be successfully created and displayed on the page. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create a package tour. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management and select the Tour option. Once inside the Tour section, click on Create Tour. A new page will open where you need to fill in multiple details to create the tour. First, select the branch where you want to create the package tour. Next, enter the tour name. You can choose any name as per your requirement. Now, select the tour type. Here, we are selecting package tour. Then, choose the tour variation such as fixed itinerary based on your preference. Next, enter a tour code. Provide the start location, which is where the journey begins, and the end location, which is where the journey ends. After that, add the stopovers, highlights, and keywords. Once done, enter the tour description. Now, define the duration of the tour by selecting the number of nights. Then, choose the start date and end date of the tour. Next comes the pricing section. Here, enter the price per head for adults for the tour. You can also add pricing for children. Select the age from which the price per head for children will be applicable and enter the corresponding rate. If you want to offer a discount, you can define the discount amount or percentage in the discount section based on your pricing strategy. After completing the pricing details, move to the detailed itinerary section. For day 1, enter the day title and add a brief day description such as arrival details or key experiences planned for the day. Next, add the activities for the day. For each activity, enter the activity time, activity title, and a short activity description. If there are multiple activities on the same day, click on Add Activity to include more. If your tour includes multiple days, click on Add Day to extend the itinerary. If any extra day has been added by mistake, you can remove it using the Delete Day option. Next, fill in the accommodation details such as whether the stay is in a hotel, houseboat, or any other available accommodation type. Then, enter the transfer details. For example, whether transfers are by private vehicle or public transport. After that, select the meal plan for the tour. Now, fill in the inclusions, which list the services and facilities included in the package. Then, fill in the exclusions, which mention what is not included or may incur extra costs. You can also add tour guide information, such as details of the local guide assigned for the tour. Next, upload relevant images using the Add Image option. You will now see the option to upload terms and conditions. Please note that uploading the terms and conditions file is mandatory as this field is marked with the red asterisk. You may also upload itinerary documents, but this is optional as it is not marked with a red asterisk. Remember, if all mandatory fields marked with the red asterisk are not filled, the tour cannot be created. Once all the details are completed, click on Create Tour. Your package tour will now be successfully created and is ready to be used for bookings and quotations. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to create vendor and inventory. Now, we will see how to create vendors who supply various necessary items to our property. To create a vendor, first, you have to click on Add Vendors. There, you have to select the vendor's name, email, phone number, and branch. After that, the vendor's address and account details must be filled out. A GST/IGST applicable checkbox is provided here so that tax can be included as per requirement. Now, we will select what items that vendor will provide, such as soap. The SAC code or taxation number and its amount for each item must be given here. Once the vendor is created, it will reflect in our inventory. Inventory refers to all those materials available with our property that we supply to customers. In the item catalog, we can see the quantity of our stocks present in various categories. To set a new item, you have to go to Item Details and select its category, branch, and supplier. There, you must define whether the item is disposable or not, its cost price, sale price, and the minimum and maximum stock quantity. After this, we come to Order Management, where we can collect items in our inventory. For example, if we order 150 pieces of soap, then the expected delivery date must be selected there. After confirming the order, it will remain in pending status. When we receive the product, we will have to edit the status and mark it as received. While receiving, it is very important to provide the invoice number and invoice date. Once the status is updated, you will be able to see that the stock quantity in the item catalog has increased. In this way, we can create vendor and inventory in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to use the item catalog in inventory. Here, we had already created a vendor. Today, we will see how we can send all the materials or various types of items from that vendor to a room according to customer requirements. The first step is that we must understand the order item catalog and order management properly. In the item catalog, we can understand what types of items there are and which category they belong to. We can create categories for various types of items here. For example, if there are types of soap or brushes, they will fall under the bathroom category. If there is a furniture category, then items like tables or chairs will be there. Different categories are created according to each item. For instance, electronics, bathroom, furniture, and bedding have been created here. If we want to create a category, simply writing the name and description here will create the category. The next step is the item catalog. Here, we will be able to see the category-wise items and their current stock quantity. We can define a range here for how many items will trigger a minimum stock level and how many for maximum stock. For example, if the quantity of soap becomes less than 10, it will issue a red alert because the minimum stock must be 10. Now, we will perform order management. Whenever we purchase an item from a vendor, they are stored in the item catalog along with the quantity. To make a purchase, you have to go to the order management and click on Add Purchase Order. There, you must choose the property name, provide the supplier name and issue the date. Then, select the item and quantity and confirm the order. After confirming, the status will remain pending until the order arrives. When the product reaches us, we will edit the status to received. While updating the status to received, we must provide the invoice number and invoice date as primary credentials. Once the status is updated, we will be able to see in the item catalog that the stock amount has increased. In this way, we can perform order management with vendors in MettaStay and check the status in the item catalog. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to generate quotations. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management and navigate to the Quotation section. From here, you can generate a new quotation either by clicking on New Quotation or by using the plus icon. First, select the location where you want to book the hotel. Then, choose the branch name available under that location. Next, enter the check-in date and check-out date. Add the number of adults and children with the children's age and then click on Search. After that, assign a room. You may enter a room number if required or you can leave it blank. If it is a new guest, you will need to fill in all the required guest details. If the guest is an existing customer, search using their name or phone number and all the details will be fetched automatically. If you want to offer a special discount, select Amount to give a fixed discount or select Percentage to apply a percentage-based discount. You will also find an OTA or online travel agency option where you can select any available OTA if required. Once all the details are filled in, go to Send Quotation and click on Send. After the quotation is generated, you can search using the quotation ID to view the generated quotation. You can also convert the generated quotation into a booking. When you do so, payment options will appear. For now, we will skip the payment step. A booking ID will be generated. If you go to Bookings and search with the booking ID in Operation View, you will be able to see the listed booking. In this way, you can generate quotations and also convert them into bookings in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create hotel bookings. To begin, go to New Bookings from the Bookings section or simply click on the blue plus icon to create a new booking. From the booking options, choose the location, then select the branch, enter the check-in and check-out dates, and add the number of adults and children. Select the age of children as well. After that, click on Search and select any available room. You may assign a room number if required, or you can leave it unassigned. Now, click on Next. If the guest is new, you will need to create a new record by entering all the required mandatory details. If the guest is an existing customer, you can search using their name or phone number and the details will appear automatically. If you want to offer a special discount, select Amount to give a fixed discount or select Percentage to apply a percentage-based discount. If you want to add any additional services, you can do so using the Add More Payable Service option. You can also apply SAC codes and select the price range based on which the tax and bill will be generated. You will also find an OTA or online travel agency option where you can select any available OTA if required. If you choose Exclude Tax, all taxes will be excluded from the calculation. You can also choose between CGST, SGST or IGST. Next, click on Confirm Booking. At this stage, you will need to make the payment. Go to the Payment option, enter the payment amount and select the date and time. You will then see 3 payment options: Pay Total, Pay Minimum and Enter Other Amount. Here, we will proceed with Pay Total. Click on Confirm and the booking will be completed. A booking number will be generated. You can copy the booking number and enter it in the search field to view the booking. If you want to check in, you can do so from here. During check-in, you will need to enter all guest details such as name, age, nationality, and provide identity details if available. You will also need to enter the details of the child whose age was selected earlier. You can upload photos here. After submitting these details, the check-in process will be completed. You can also check out from here once the stay is completed and payment is done. After checkout, the complete booking details will be displayed on the screen. This is how you can complete the entire booking process in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to create credit notes. A credit note is a type of token which is created when a booking is cancelled and the booking amount paid by the customer is kept as a credit instead of being refunded. The capability of this amount remains within that particular credit note, which can be used during any subsequent booking. Remember, every credit note has a specific validity or time range, and if not used within that time, it expires. To create a credit note, we need to cancel a booking. First, select a specific branch and room and create a new booking. After selecting the customer details and tax payment options, confirm the booking by making the full amount payment. Once the booking is confirmed, go to that booking ID and select the Cancel Booking option instead of Check-in. While cancelling, select Without Cancellation Policy so that no money is deducted and the entire payment goes into the credit note. Now, select Credit Note in the payment mode and set its validity date according to your requirement. Write the reason for cancellation and proceed, and your credit note number will be created. Now, we will see how to use this credit note. When you make a new booking, select the credit note mode at the time of payment. There, paste the credit note number you have and click Check to see its available amount. Once you confirm the amount, your booking transaction will be completed using the money from that credit note. But you must remember one thing. If your booking amount is less than the value of the credit note, you will not get the remaining money back, so use it very carefully. In this way, you can easily manage credit notes in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to add extra services to new bookings. While creating a booking for a particular room, you can add additional services such as room service or car service depending on your requirements. In the Add Service Notes section, enter the service you want to add. For example, here we are adding room service. Enter the appropriate SAC code and the amount you want to charge the customer. Once the SAC code is applied, the system will automatically calculate and include the tax. You will be able to see the taxable amount as well as the total amount including tax. After adding the taxable amount, you will notice a change in the total payment amount to be collected from the customer. If you want to add more than one service, click on Add More Payable Services. You can continue adding as many extra services as required. This is how you can add extra services to a booking in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to generate multiple itinerary quotations. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management and click on the Quotation option. From here, you can add a new quotation either by clicking on New Quotation or by using the blue plus icon. Next, select the Multiple Itinerary option. Choose the location, then select the branch, enter the check-in and check-out dates and add the number of adults and children. Now, click on Add Location to include another location. Change the location and branch name, enter the checkout dates, add the number of adults and children and then click on Search. For both branches, select the required rooms and assign the room numbers. Assigning room numbers is optional. If the guest is an existing customer, search and fill in the details using their name or phone number. If it is a new guest, enter all the required details. If you want to offer a special discount, select amount to give a fixed discount or select percentage to apply a percentage-based discount. You will also find an OTA or online travel agency option where you can select any available OTA if required. If you choose Exclude Tax, no tax will be applied to the bill. If you want to add any additional services, you can do so by using the Add More Payable Service option. You can also apply SAC codes and select the price range based on which the tax and bill will be generated. Once all the details are completed, go to Send Quotation and click on Send. After the quotation number is generated, go to Multiple Itinerary and use the search option to enter the quotation number. The generated quotation will be displayed on the screen. This is how you can generate multiple itinerary quotations in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create package tour quotations. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management and navigate to the Quotation section. From here, you can add a new quotation either by clicking on New Quotation or by using the plus icon. Next, go to the Package Quotation. From the list of available tours, select the package tour you want and click on Select Now. Now, choose the booking date. Select the number of adults and children and then click on Next. If the guest is a new customer, fill in all the required details such as first name, last name and phone number. All mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. If the guest is an existing customer, you can search using their name or phone number to fill in the details. After entering or selecting the guest details, click on Send Quotation and then click on Send to confirm. Once the quotation is sent, a quotation ID will be generated. Now, go back to the quotation page. Under the package section, use the search option and enter the quotation ID. After searching with the quotation ID, you will see that your package tour quotation has been successfully booked. This is how you can create package tour quotations in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create package tour bookings. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management and navigate to Bookings. From here, you can create a new booking either by clicking on New Booking or by using the blue-colored plus option. Next, go to the Package section. From the available tour list, select the tour and click on Book Now. Now, add the number of adults and children and then click on Next. If it is a new guest, enter all the required details. If the guest is an existing customer, search and fill in the details using their name or phone number. After that, click on Confirm Booking. You will see 3 payment options: Pay Total, Pay Minimum and Enter Other Amount. In this case, we will proceed with Pay Total. Select the transaction date and transaction time and then click on Confirm. Once the booking is successfully created, a booking ID will be generated. You can copy the booking ID and go to the package page. By searching with the booking ID, you will be able to view all the booking details. This is how you can successfully create package tour bookings in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create customized tour quotations. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management. From there, navigate to Quotation and click on New Quotation. You can also click on the plus option to navigate to New Quotation. Next, click on the Customized option. You will see a tour option. Select it and click on Select Now. Choose the start date of the tour. Once selected, the end date will be generated automatically. Now, adjust the number of adults and children as required and then click on Next. If it is a new guest, enter all the required details. If the guest is an existing customer, search and fill in the details using their name or phone number. After selecting or adding the customer details, click on Send Quotation and then confirm by clicking Send. A quotation ID will be generated. Now, go back to the Customized option. Search using the quotation ID and the customized tour quotation can be seen booked successfully. This is how you can create and book customized tour quotations in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create a customized tour booking. To begin, go to Reservation and Property Management. Click on the plus option to create a new booking. From the available options, open the Customize option. Under this section, select Customize Tour and click on Book Now. Next, select the date of the tour. Choose the number of adults and children and then click on Next. If the guest is a new customer, fill in all the mandatory details in the form. If the guest is an existing customer, you can search using the phone number or name and the details will appear automatically. After this, you will see 2 options: Confirm Booking without payment or Confirm Booking. Click on Confirm Booking. You will then see 3 payment options: Pay Total, Pay Minimum and Enter Other Amount. Here, we will proceed with Pay Total. Select the transaction date and time and then click on Confirm. Once the booking is successfully created, a booking ID will be generated. You can copy the booking ID and go to the Customize Tour page. By searching with the booking ID, you will be able to view all the booking details. This is how you can successfully create a customized tour booking in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to create a Register Master Folio. To begin, go to the Configuration Control panel from the main menu. From there, Navigate to Create Master Folio. On this page, enter the organization name for which you want to create the master folio. Next, enter a valid email ID. Then, provide the GST number. After that, enter a phone number. You may also enter an organization address. This field is optional as it is not marked with a star or asterisk. Once all the required details are filled in, click on the Submit button. Your Register Master Folio will be successfully created. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how folio transfer and send bill invoice are done. Within the Configuration Control panel, we can view any master folio from the Register Master Folio. There is a View option here. If any master folio is created for an organization, we can see it. And we can already see here that a folio transfer has occurred. So if we want its details, we can send bill invoice. If we refresh here, we will see that an invoice has been sent. Now, we need to see how much the due amount is, and we can also make the payment from here. There is an Add Payment option here where payment details can be seen. The remaining amount that we want can be paid right here. The options for Pay Total or Enter Other Amount will be available. If we select Enter Other Amount, we can pay by entering a specific amount. Now, for folio transfer, we will complete the process by doing Send Bill Invoice. In this way, we can very easily perform folio transfer and send bill invoice in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to do item settlement. We will begin with the room amenities section. This section helps you manage items that are collected from vendors and then allocated to specific rooms. To do this, we use the Room Amenities feature. To start, click on the Add Room Inventory option on the right-hand side. Here, select the branch. For example, we are selecting Ibis Bengaluru. Next, select the room number. In this case, Room 201. Choose the item category. Here, we are selecting chairs and assigning a quantity of 4 chairs to this room. Once selected, click on Confirm. To verify whether the items have been settled correctly, click on the branch again. You will now be able to see that under the standard twin room, Room 201 has 4 chairs assigned successfully. Next, we move to the Item Usage and Return section. This section is used to send items to rooms based on customer requirements. Please note that to use this section, the room must be booked and checked in. Without an active booking and check-in, item usage is not allowed. First, create a normal room booking. Select the room, for example room 507, and complete the booking by entering customer details. After confirming the booking, select today's date, add a comment such as thank you, and confirm the booking. Search using the booking ID. Now, proceed with check-in. Enter the guest details such as name, age, nationality, identity type, and identity number. Upload an image if required and submit the form. After successful check-in, go to Inventory and then select Item Usage and Return. On the right-hand side, click on Add Consumption. Select the branch and then choose the room number, in this case 507. Next, select the category such as bathroom items and choose the required item. For example, Vivel soap. Select the checkbox. Enter the quantity. Here we are selecting 4 units and mark it as chargeable. Each item costs 150, so 4 items will be charged accordingly. A 5% GST will be applied automatically. Click on Save to confirm. Now, go to the booking section and open the operational view for today's check-ins. Here, click on the item settlement option. You will see that 4 Vivel soaps are allowed for this room. Select the checkbox. If the guest uses only 2 items instead of 4 and you submit the form, the remaining 2 items will automatically move to the damage log. This is how item settlement managed in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to use the calendar view. The calendar view gives us access to manipulate various operations of all properties. For example, if we want to change a room rate according to the season, we can very easily modify that room's rate using the calendar view. Alternatively, if we want to stop check-in or check-out for a room for a particular day, the calendar view gives us access to do that very easily. First, we have to select a branch. Then, we have to click on calendar view. As soon as we click on calendar view, a new page will open. Now, any one room must be selected. For example, to show you, we are selecting the deluxe double or twin room for one adult here. We are trying to change the price of this room for the 18th and 19th. For instance, the price is currently 5,261 and we want to change it to 8,400. To do this, we will go to the price for that day and click on it. A new dialog box will open, Value Override. Now, we will go to the value field and change the price to 8,000. We can also increase or decrease this value as a percentage. For example, if we enter 10 in the value, while the plus button and percentage button are selected, the room price will increase by 10%. If the minus button is selected instead of the plus button, the room price will decrease by 10%. For now, we are performing amount-based manipulation and setting the value to 8,000 and clicking OK. After that, we will click on Save Changes. It may take a little time to save these changes. After the changes are saved, you will be able to see that the room rate for the deluxe double or twin room for one adult has changed to 8,000 for the 18th. We can also verify this price change in another way. To perform this verification, go to Reservation and Property Management and click on New Quotation. A new page will open and there we will select the location and branch. We will select the check-in date as 18. After that, we will click on Search. Then, we will look for the details of the room for which we made these changes. You can see that the room price for the deluxe double or twin room for one adult has increased to 8,000 rupees. In this way, we can very easily manage various operations of all rooms using the calendar view in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to freeze room bookings in calendar view. First, select the required property from the drop-down list. Then, click on Calendar View to open the calendar page. Next, select the room you want to freeze. For example, if you do not want any checkout from a room on the 17th, click on the price range, go to Value Override, click on Close to Departure, confirm by clicking OK, and then click on Save Changes. Please note that saving the changes may take a few moments. After this, go to MettaStay, click on Quotation, select the location and then go to the property to check the room you selected earlier. If the price variation does not appear there, it means that the room is not accessible for checkout on that date. In the same way, you can also prevent check-in for a room on a specific date. To do this, click on the price range, go to Value Override, select Close to Arrival, click OK, and then Save Changes. Finally, just like before, return to MettaStay to verify that the room has been successfully frozen for check-in or check-out on that selected date. This is how you can freeze room bookings using calendar view in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to use calendar view for bookings. Within reservation and property management, there are two different ways to view bookings. One is the calendar view and the other is the operation view. In the operation view, you can see bookings for different tours and hotels using the booking ID. The data is displayed in a table format where you can view the total number of completed bookings. You can also check bookings based on their status, such as completed, pending, or cancelled. Using the booking ID, email, or phone number, you can search for any specific booking. You can view details such as package tours, customized tours, and whether the booking is single or multiple. In the calendar view, all the same information is available, but it is displayed in a graphical format. Different colors are used to represent booking statuses such as check-in, completed, pending, and cancelled. From here, you can see key details like total bookings, currently checked in, completed bookings, pending check-ins, current guests, and revenue. You can use the filter options to refine your view. By searching with a specific name, you can see all bookings related to that name. You can also select all branches to view bookings across all locations or choose a specific branch to see bookings related to that branch only. The calendar view allows you to quickly view bookings for preset durations such as 30 days, 21 days, 14 days, or 7 days. You can also select a specific date range to see bookings within that period. There is a compare option available which allows you to compare bookings between two branches. By selecting a date range, you can view booking comparisons easily. By clicking on any booking icon, you can view the booking details. Using the reset option will restore the view to its default state. If needed, you can also switch back to the table format to view all data in a list view. This is how you can effectively use the calendar view to manage bookings in MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to use the admin dashboard. Here, we are on the admin dashboard page of the MettaStay PMS system. The admin dashboard page allows you to represent all the business insights of a specific organization and the various operations performed within it in the form of data. For example, the data here shows the total booking amount of an organization. You can see how much amount has been collected, the total number of bookings, the number of outstanding bookings, the cancellation rate percentage, and the lead time. There are time span switches here which allow you to display all the data according to a specific time span. Options such as today, yesterday, this week, this month, or last month are available here. If we click on last month, all the data from the previous month will be shown here. And this is not just for a specific organization. If we want to see business insights for a specific branch, we can select that branch from the admin dashboard drop-down. Here is the billing insight data which we have represented in the form of a graph. There is a compare switch here, clicking on which allows us to see the difference between the business insights of two specific time spans. This comparison will help in improving revenue generation and business strategies. Here is the room type performance where you can see which room is performing best in terms of bookings. In the booking channels section, we can view the performance and booking trends of various OTA channels. In the booking section, we can see which customer is checking in and checking out from which branch and room along with their payment status. Now, we come to the housekeeping panel which has two segments, front desk and housekeeping. On the front desk, we can see the number of expected arrivals, expected departures, in-house guests, and unassigned rooms. In the inventory overview, we can view data from 7 days up to 30 days where the status of the room can be understood through color combinations. Through the room occupancy distribution pie chart, we can see how many rooms are available. In the Financial Insights section, all business transactions of the organization such as confirmed bookings, guest check-ins, and cancelled booking data can be viewed. In the Collection breakdown, we can see how much amount is coming from ongoing bookings and new bookings. From the payment method section, we can learn how much payment has been received through which medium. In the cash flow summary, we can see various transactions like total collected amount, total charges, and cash in hand. In the credit notes section, the number of active credit notes and the amount issued can be viewed separately. In vendor payments, we can see how much amount has been paid to which vendor. Overall, the admin dashboard in MettaStay helps you manage your data insights, operational control, and business performance so that your business can grow in a more customized and efficient way. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how to do housekeeping management. Under the Housekeeping tab, you can see various descriptions related to your rooms. This includes how many rooms have been assigned for cleaning, how many are dirty, how many are occupied, and how many are ready for customers. For instance, the 229 rooms listed here for cleaning, along with the specific room numbers, are displayed on your screen. If you click Mark as ready for a particular room, it will be removed from the cleaning data and updated as available and ready for guests. Next, if you click on the dirty section, you will see the rooms currently marked for cleaning. If we select Mark as cleaning for a room, it will move from this section to the cleaning section. Finally, you can monitor exactly how many rooms are currently occupied by customers and how many are ready for sale to new guests. In this way, you can easily manage housekeeping on MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to view and download booking reports. To view reports, first navigate to the Report section. Once you enter this section, you will find multiple options to view and download different types of reports. Here, you will see various filter options to generate reports. You can select a specific branch or hotel, and all the available data related to that branch will be displayed. You can filter reports by selecting today, yesterday, week, month, quarter, or year. If you need reports for a specific period, you can choose a custom date range. There is also a clear date range option, which removes the selected date range when required. After applying the filters, click on Search Report to view the available reports. Whichever report you click on will open. For example, if you select Guest Ledger, the Guest Ledger report will open. Once the report is open, click on Export CSV to download the report as an Excel file. In the same way, you can download CSV files for all reports, such as payment details, guest details, and others. Within the Guest Ledger, additional filter options are available. You can generate reports for a specific hotel or select all hotels to view Guest Ledger reports for all properties together. Here too, you can filter data by day, month, year, or a custom date range. You can search for a guest using their name, email, or phone number. The details for the selected guest will then be displayed along with all related booking statuses. You can also use the payment method filter to view guest details accordingly. After applying all required filters, you can again click on Export CSV to download the filtered data as an Excel sheet. In this way, by using different filters, you can easily generate and download various types of report data as needed. Welcome to MettaStay. This video will show you how to switch between two or more businesses. To begin, go to the Switch Business option. From here, you can switch to any available business. For example, if you select Bengal Tour Plan, you will be able to view all the data related to that business. You can also switch again and move to another business such as Hotel Radiant. In this way, you can easily switch between multiple businesses within MettaStay. Welcome to MettaStay. In this video, we will show you how POS to PMS bill posting is done. First of all, we must remember that bill posting is only possible when a guest is staying at the hotel and they are in a checked-in status. To explain the process clearly, first of all, we will create a new booking. Here, we are starting the booking process by selecting a room in the Sakura Darjeeling Hotel. While confirming the booking, we can provide some amount as an advance amount, or the full amount can also be paid. Once the booking is created, we need to complete the check-in process where the guest's details and ID proof will be required. After the guest is successfully checked in, we will now go to the POS or restaurant section. There, if the guest orders something, like we are ordering chicken tikka and pizza here, a bill will be generated. To send this bill to the PMS, we need to select the bill posting option. After selecting the order type and table number, you need to find the guest's name and room number. Now, as soon as you click on the Post Bill to Room option, this bill will be attached to the guest's room booking in the PMS software. If you go to the guest's booking details in the PMS and check, you will see that the restaurant bill is successfully reflecting there. When the guest checks out, the restaurant bill can be paid along with the room rent at the same time. Once the payment is complete, you can download or print the invoice where both the room rent and restaurant bill will be shown separately. Finally, by going to the POS section of the restaurant and refreshing, you will see that the payment has been confirmed and the bill is showing as marked as paid. In this way, we can very easily post bills from POS to PMS in MettaStay.